Welcome to this exploration of the four fundamental forces of nature. These forces are the foundation of every physical interaction in our universe, from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies. Today, we'll understand what makes these forces so fundamental and how they shape the world around us. Fundamental forces are the basic interactions that cannot be explained by any more fundamental principle. Think of them as the most elementary rules of nature. Every single phenomenon you observe in the universe, whether it's an apple falling from a tree, a light bulb glowing, or a star burning, results from one or more of these four forces working together. Let's start with gravity, the force we're most familiar with. Gravity is an attractive force that acts between any two objects that have mass. Interestingly, it's the weakest of all four fundamental forces. However, what makes gravity special is its infinite range. It can act across vast cosmic distances, which is why it plays such a crucial role in shaping galaxies, forming stars, and keeping planets in orbit around their suns. The electromagnetic force acts between particles that carry electric charge, both positive and negative. This force is much stronger than gravity and also has an infinite range. The electromagnetic force is responsible for almost everything we experience in daily life. It governs all of chemistry, creates light and other electromagnetic radiation, powers electricity, and holds atoms and molecules together. The strong nuclear force is the most powerful of all four forces. Its job is to bind quarks together to form protons and neutrons, and then hold these particles together inside the atomic nucleus. However, this incredible strength comes with a limitation. The strong force only operates over an extremely short range, confined to distances within the atomic nucleus. Without it, atomic nuclei would fly apart due to electromagnetic repulsion between protons. The weak nuclear force is responsible for radioactive decay processes, where particles transform into other types of particles. While it's weaker than both the strong force and electromagnetism, it's still much stronger than gravity. Like the strong force, it operates only at very short, subatomic distances. The weak force plays a vital role in powering nuclear fusion reactions inside stars, making it essential for stellar energy production. To truly appreciate these forces, let's compare their relative strengths. If we set the strong nuclear force as 1, the electromagnetic force is approximately 1 over 137. The weak nuclear force is about 10 to the power of -6, and gravity is astonishingly weak at 10 to the power of -39. Despite being the weakest, gravity dominates at large scales because it only attracts and has infinite range, while other forces can cancel out. These four fundamental forces are the key to understanding all physical phenomena in our universe. Every interaction, from chemical reactions to the motion of planets, is ultimately governed by one or more of these forces. They shape everything from the tiniest atoms to the largest galactic structures. One of the greatest goals in modern physics is to unify these four forces into a single theoretical framework, which would represent a complete understanding of nature's fundamental laws.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.